The Indian state West Bengal has a rich cultural and artistic heritage. As you know, due to the reign of various rulers in West Bengal in the past, the state has underwent the various changes and modifications in its arts and crafts. Hello and Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Bengal Corner. Here I am, Ashmita Sinha. I am from the city of joy, Kolkata. This is my first video and today I am here to display in front of you the various embossed leather products, mainly of batik, the leather batik, which is very much famous in Shantiniketan, and I know the entire world is very much crazy of these products. So here I am. West Bengal is known for leather craft in the whole world. Especially the Shantiniketan region in West Bengal is famous for its beautifully handcrafted leather handbags and other accessories. Bengal leather goods or Shantiniketan leather goods are leather products made in Shantiniketan and surrounding villages near Kolkata, West Bengal, India. The craft created here is called embossed leather craft. The craft of embossing and hand painting leather was first introduced in Shantiniketan in the 1940s. The most appealing quality of these Indian leather bags are the traditional motifs that depict floral and geometric designs, and the natural dyes used in the process give it a very classy look. Shantiniketan products have a creative interpretation of nature and inimitable style that is appreciated by craft enthusiasts all across the globe. This thriving industry is now being given considerable financial and technical help from both the government and NGOs to enable its further expansion globally. Today, Shantiniketan leather craft is not only accepted in India but is appreciated even outside India. Bengal embossed leather craft is a reflector of our historical art. It also defines art and culture at the times of Rabindranath Tagore. Today, it has got global acceptance and is growing to become a global brand. This craft style will not only represent India with a new dimension in the global market, but will also help in the empowerment of craftsmen in Bengal. It will open new economic gates for them and will help in keeping this beautiful tradition alive. So it has economically importance, cultural and traditional importance, and most importantly, it will bring India's beautiful craft work in front of the whole world. I'm very sure that people from various parts of my country, India, as well as from abroad throughout the world, people are very much crazy about the Bengal products. So I would like to request all of you to please write to me in the comment section of the products of Bengal of which you want to know, which you want to see, which you want to get. So I will try my very best to display the various products of which you have some interest at least. Okay, so please write to me. I will be there with new items always ever in my upcoming episodes. If If you are interested in any of these products and want to get this product as retail or wholesale, you can surely visit to our website. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and even you can mail to me as well as contact through WhatsApp. I will expect that you will definitely share my video with your friends, relatives and whoever you know. And if you are interested to get these products, you will definitely contact me. If you are not interested to buy, that is also okay, but please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with as many people you can. So stay tuned with my channel, The Bengal Corner.